All protein, baby. Damn, smells good. It's time to bring some culture into this channel. I mean, we can't eat fast food all the time, right? Or can we? So guys, in this video, I'm gonna eat Hawaiian BBQ for the first time in a while, and I'm gonna show you my go-to while I'm dieting and packing on protein. We went over the price point, how many calories is it, and if it's worth fitting into your diet. So you ready? We out. What's going on? It's your boy, Louis Ha Fa Sho. You know how we do. So I want to bring more culture into these videos. I mean, technically this restaurant, Ono's, is a chain, so they do list the calories. And I used to go here all the time, especially while I was dieting, cutting. And of course, they have a lot of good protein. And that's great, especially if you want to put on muscle. So enough talking, let's open this up. All right, I got the chicken and beef combo. But before I open this up, this is a fitness channel, so we have to go over my 4 rules. The first rule is I follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of my calories come from whole foods, which means lean meats, fruits, and veggies. And 20% of my calories come from foods just like this. My second rule is we don't skip our training, we don't skip our workout, we don't skip our cardio. I personally like to go in the morning, get out of the way, but you can go anytime you like as long as it fits you and your schedule. And the third rule is we eat our maintenance calories or below. So when you eat your maintenance calories, you don't gain weight, you don't lose weight. If you eat above your maintenance calories, you gain weight. And if you're below it, you lose weight. But hey, what if you don't know your maintenance calories? Well, my friend, lucky for you, I have a free calorie calculator. Just go to BRINGTHESHREDS.com/tools. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Just type in your info and you'll be good to go. And the fourth and final rule is we won't drink our calories on this channel. Unless it's vodka. All right, guys, let's open this up. Ooh, check this out. All protein, baby. Damn, smells good. When you guys stopping by, come through. So like I mentioned, I got the beef and chicken combo, and instead of a side of mac salad, I got an extra scoop of rice because rice is nice. And don't think like carbs are the enemy, and if you eat carbs, you're gonna gain weight. Carbs doesn't make you gain weight, overeating does. And guys, it's not Hawaiian BBQ unless you have a side of teriyaki sauce. So one of these sauces is 70 calories. And remember, we're not just worried about liquid calories, we're also worried about sauce calories as well. So be careful, especially when you use like a lot. What I like to do is pour it on the rice, like so. Ooh-wee. And on the barbecued chicken and the beef. You know how we do. Oh yeah, and below it is like a bed of lettuce, you know, because micros, vitamins, minerals, you know what I'm saying? So don't neglect to eat those as well. And of course, you know me, I like my spiciness, so we have sriracha chili sauce. This is not the Rooster one, this is the a different brand. I think they're pretty popular for soy sauce, so this is probably their version of sriracha. However, is it the same as the OG Rooster one? I don't know. I'm sure still as good, but I like to put this on as well. Give you that little kick, you know what I'm saying? Get on some of that rice, the chicken, the beef, because like I said, you know how we do. I went on their website and the beef and broccoli by itself was 462 calories. And if you want to know the rest macros, I'll leave them right here. And for the steamed rice, 1 scoop is 190 calories. So there's 3 scoops. So what's 190 plus 3? Not plus 3. What's 190 times 3? You do the math. But 1 scoop is 190 calories, and the rest of the macros of those are right here. And again, 70 calories for the teriyaki sauce. I also got an extra sauce just in case I don't have enough, but we'll see if I need it. Enough talking, let's mix this up. It's been a while since I had Hawaiian BBQ. But as you can see, most of this is all carbs, some fats, and a lot of protein. And the total for this was $15.59, so a little pricey, but you can see all the meat, so I can justify that price point, you know what I'm saying? Let's get a little bit of that chicken, some of that rice. I know your guys' mouth is watering because mine is as well. Here you guys go. Rice and chicken, Hawaiian BBQ. Let's do this, guys. Oh, guys, it's been a while. Like I said, perfect bodybuilding meal, lots of protein, carbs. Again, you need your carbs, especially if you work out. Carbs is a source of energy, you know what I'm saying? And like I mentioned, rule number 4, we don't drink our calories on this channel. So today I have a nice diet 7-Up. 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 everything. Not sponsored. You can't go wrong with diet 7-Up and Hawaiian BBQ, am I right? Yeah, so for the chicken and beef by itself, it's already 54 grams of protein, which is really good. All right, let's get some of this beef. One of my favorite things to do is put like teriyaki sauce or soy sauce on top of rice and then add a little bit of sriracha, a little kick, you know what I'm saying? Guys, look at this. How can you go wrong? Holy. All right, let's do this. I legit could eat this like every single day, you know what I'm saying? And not get tired of it. I mean, but can you really get tired of beef and rice or meat and rice, chicken and rice, even fish and rice, right? I feel like rice is like the staple for like a lot of people. Get our micronutrients in. That broccoli got a little bit of the teriyaki sauce on it, so it's not just plain broccoli. Really good. I know some of you Hawaiian barbecue fans out there might be wondering, Louis, why didn't you get the barbecue mix? So the barbecue mix consists of beef, chicken, and short ribs. And don't get me wrong, guys, I love short ribs. I'm down. However, when you're watching your weight, watching your calories, and this is kind of a fitness video, I feel like a lot of it is a lot of fat and not too much protein. So me personally, I feel like you don't get the bang for your buck, especially protein-wise. But hey, if you don't care and you just want Hawaiian barbecue, then hey, it's all good. Definitely get that. That's like my second favorite. And my third favorite is the chicken katsu. You guys know that one? It's just deep fried chicken, deep fried battered chicken. Yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been back to Hawaii. Kind of miss it. But usually when I go to Hawaii, we would stop by a Hawaiian barbecue place, but mainly I go there for poke. You guys know poke? Poke is like, it's kind of like sushi a little bit, but they use their own marinade. So bomb. Out here in California, you try to get it. Costs like an arm and a leg. Over there, it's a little bit pricey, but not as bad as out here, you know what I mean? But yeah, definitely want to go back one of these days, especially when this YouTube channel pops off, and I can use the money here, take you guys with me next time, you know? That'd be all good. Oh yeah, guys, and one of my most viewed videos currently is my Jollibee video I did with Ty and Christian. That video is going off, and when we tried their Aloha Yum, it's their burger, but it has pineapple in it. That was so good, but for some reason, I don't think Ono, the place I just went to for this, I think they sell burgers, but they don't put pineapple in it, which is baffling, right? Because not only is it good, it's Hawaiian. You would think they would have it. Maybe I can contact corporate and make a suggestion, huh? What about you guys? Have you guys ever had Hawaiian barbecue? I know I do like a lot of fast food reviews on this channel, but guys, I love cultural foods. I'm definitely gonna bring some to the channel. So if you guys aren't used to it and you guys wanna watch me test them out, because I haven't tried everything either of other ethnicities' foods. So I would definitely wanna bring that to this channel. So stay tuned for that. So good. So guys, if you're new to the channel, I always end it off with the question of the day. It helps you guys get to know me better. And if you leave a comment below, it helps me get to know you guys better as well. So today's question is, do you wish there were more or fewer holidays? Why? I mean, I would be lying to say I wish there were fewer holidays. Especially as a kid, during the holidays, you got the day off, you got to hang out with your friends. But even as an adult, right? When you get holidays, you get days off to spend time doing whatever. So it's kind of a silly question, like why would you want fewer holidays? I understand from a business owner's perspective, like for me, I'm doing YouTube, right? I have my own brand, I have my own business. I don't really have weekends, I don't really have holidays because if I don't work, I don't eat. From an employee perspective, I would love more holidays, but from an employer perspective or a entrepreneur, solopreneur perspective, it doesn't really matter, you know what I'm saying? What do you guys think? Do you guys work for somebody else? Do you work for an employer? Obviously, you guys want more holidays, right? I think that's a silly question. Or do you own your own business? And do you wish there were fewer holidays? Capitalism. Let's get back to this. Hawaiian barbecue. Yeah, but the chicken, the beef, man. Of course, I like beef more, but I eat chicken more. Does that make sense? I guess chicken is cheaper, higher in protein, less in fat. Somebody that likes to work out, stay in shape, I eat a lot of chicken. Every time I go out, I always pick like a beef option just to spoil myself, if you want to call it that. And they also said, as you get older, you're supposed to eat a lot less red meat. Yeah, I don't know. Keep that in mind. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Bring the Shreds. We're all about moderation, not deprivation, because life is too short for brown rice, chicken breast, and broccoli all day. Am I right? Actually, there's rice, chicken, and broccoli. Don't forget to bring the shreds, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.